Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So I've been doing I don't want to say it's the keto diet, but it's a keto inspired diet. I've totally eliminated any carbs other than what I get in natural foods. Haven't had bread, potatoes, rice, anything starchy, corn. Every time I go to eat a food, I look it up to see how many carbs that are in it. No sweets. I've been drinking coffee black. I just now started putting a little bit of cream in it because there's I think 1 gram per tablespoon, and I don't even use that much. So I thought today what we do is we do a single serving of broccoli rabe and sausage. Went to the doctor again and they weighed me, and I did pretty good. So stick around to the end of the video when we're going to do a weigh-in. But right now let's get started on this broccoli rabe and Italian sausage. Okay. So this whole dish is going to be about 370 calories. I'm just guesstimating. I just did a quick lookup. We got 1 link of sausage here. This is Italian sausage. 1 link of Italian sausage that I cut up, and this is 6 ounces. We got about 5 garlic cloves. Now here we have the broccoli rabe. Now they say the keto, with the keto diet, the vegetables should be in their most natural form, or as close to their natural form as possible. Broccoli rabe is a very tough green, as most greens are. So this is going to have to be cooked down. Now this is a packed 4.5 cups. I weighed it, and it comes out to 11 ounces. Now once this cooks down, it's going to be it's not going to look nearly as much. So that was 11 ounces before I washed it. I still have to wash this. So let me wash this and get a pot of water on, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I've got a pot of water boiling. I've got my broccoli rabe, which I've cut up and I've washed. Now we're going to put this in for just a couple minutes. Get that under. And I'm just going to cover it. And we're going to let that go for 2 minutes. Okay, broccoli rabe is draining. Now what we're going to do is, I'm using olive oil. I know the keto diet goes and uses all these fancy types of oils, and I ran out of ghee. I haven't made ghee, so I'm just sticking with olive oil. And I'm going to put a couple tablespoons. I'm going to let that heat up. And now we're going to put the sausage in. All right, we're just going to brown this a little bit. After we brown it, we'll take it out. Leave that grease in there. Put your garlic in there. Keep it moving, because if the garlic burns, it's going to be extremely bitter. And it's bad enough that broccoli rabe is bitter. You can get that, you can smell it. It smells fantastic. I love the smell of garlic. Okay. Now we're going to take that cooked broccoli rabe, as you can see, it cooked down to really nothing. I'm going to turn the heat down. Put that sausage back in. Now, I'm not going to put any salt in here because of the cheeses, because of the pecorino romano. But I am going to add some black pepper. And I'm going to add some hot pepper flakes. Because, like, again, you could see, you know, that 11 ounces of greens versus the 6 ounces of sausage. It looks like it's a pretty good mix. You can try to leave the sausage whole, you know, after you cut it up, or you can just try to crumble it, whatever you want. The sausage has to cook down a little bit more. So I turned up the heat. I'm going to guess about a tablespoon of cheese. And I'm going to call that done. We've got a couple tablespoons of Gouda. It's a nice soft cheese. And while it's still hot, you put it on there and let it melt. And that's going to be my dinner. That's it. Now, let's do the weigh-in. All right, let me take my shoes off. My last weigh-in, I didn't have shoes on. In my last weigh-in, I was 290.8, so we'll 291. After being on keto for a week, no carbs, no sweets, really disciplined myself. And this is the result. $286. Okay, so that's 4 pounds in a week, just watching my carbs and my sweets. When I say watching, I mean totally eliminating. I have not exercised. I've had some issues that's prevented me from exercising. So in all, from my original weight of 294 when I went to the doctor 2 weeks ago to now 286, it's 8 pounds. It's not bad at all. But I'm telling you, it's hard. It's hard. Eliminating those carbs, your body just naturally craves those sugars, and I haven't given in. I have been skipping a meal on the weekends, so this way, you know, when I can for dinner, I can increase my caloric intake. This morning I had 2 hard-boiled eggs, about a dozen grape tomatoes, and a very small avocado. So what can that be? 300 tops, 300 calories, and this another 300 calories. So that's 600 calories I'm having today. So I've been trying to keep my caloric intake to anywhere between 1,000 to 1,200. You know, I'm 6'2", and you saw the weight, 286 pounds. I'm a big boy, so you know my body needs a little bit more than someone smaller. So anyway, I hope you're liking this little change in my channel. It's not going to last forever. I know that. I will treat myself once I get down to a certain goal. I haven't figured out what that is. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.